Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. It's a great day again today. So the main watch for me today is ALF and AUUD. As you can see, ALF is trying to make a move now, but I got stopped out of my trading rules, so hence that I won't be able to play this, thankfully, because this is a momentum killer, so probably be stuck for another 5 to 10 minutes, and this is a perfect VWAP reversal. As you can see, like it got hyped down and then the VWAP got bought back up, as well as there's also the 50 EMA here. So in a way this is double resistance. That's why it got bought back up, but I feel like it went up too quickly. Seeing how the timing is, I'm not too sure about this. The RNI isn't that good also. So yeah, for ALF, I played it near the open. However, knowing ALF, I know it's freaking choppy. So added around, I think I added here, but I got filled around here. I used the market order. So yeah, and as it did back down, knowing how choppy it is, it could be a double tail. So the tail could reach here, or maybe the EMA. So I sold out here quickly. It did went down a little bit. But yeah, seeing how it's choppy, then I remember how ALF is, and it previously wasn't looking too good. I could potentially play it up in hindsight to 1020. But yeah, that's hindsight. So after that, I got back in around here. I sold off at the VWAP, seeing the movement is not much. And then right after I sell it, it went up. So at this period, I'm seeing how strong it is compared to all the other tickers. As you can see today, the market is not very nice too. Added here and sold off here and immediately went into a hotted up. So there's two trades that I sold off too early, but I'm okay with it since it's better to get some profits than loss, right? I mean, if you kept getting green, you will never go bankrupt. That's one of my trading rules. So thirdly, as I see, is holding here seems pretty bullish to me based on back then at 5 minutes. So I added here and I sold off here. Same thing, it went up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Yeah. Okay, 3 trades. This is loss. So one small trade here that I could have take a bigger profit. Second trade, bigger profit. Third trade, bigger profit. But yeah, I mean, profit is always good. So after that is consolidating here. So as I see, it's going up here, added here, thinking this could be the pop, but I choose to sell off. So I immediately sell it off here, knowing it should probably kiss the VWAP or maybe even further down. So sell off here. I could have added here, but I was at other tickers, so this is a pretty nice move. So it's probably consolidating here. But seeing the personality of ALF and seeing the time, I'm guessing it could fade down. So yeah, I'm not touching that. AUUD was the other trade I did. I think it was around 10, yeah. Added around here. And as you can see, this is actually more of a pullback. In 5 minutes, it was very, very bullish. As you can see, like after a small red candle with a long bottom tail, it went up. Same thing, a doji with a red doji went up, red doji went up. That's why I added here. I think this was okay. Here is clearer, so yeah, that's why I added here. And at the point of time, okay, for this I added here. This was looking like this, red doji at this area. However, I was waiting for the next candle for it to break. If it broke at the next candle, we could see potentially more movement. But this should be a red doji, but it went up too soon, so I immediately sold here. Because I know this is too soon. Like this should close at the red doji would be better for the personality of AUD for it to pop. So as you can see, I think people too trigger happy, I would say. So for some reason it got bought up here and it got massively shorted here. The buying power is gone because it went up too soon before it's ready. So yeah, I'm very happy about this, that I sort of here got this intuitive idea that this is too soon. Yeah, so we went to shit. Thirdly is CLOV, another meme stock like BB, GameStop and AMC and stuff. So similarly to AMC, it is a meme stock. So yeah, I added here, sold off here, added here, sold off here. So that's a break-even trade. Then I added here, sold off here. Then I'm like, okay, I'm probably done with CLV. Didn't expect it have so much left in the tank, which is okay since I went to other tickers. Then JN, very bad trade. Firstly, it got halted up the first time, and then it got halted up the second time. So usually the third halt, most of the time is bad. Like in rare cases, maybe 10% of the time, then you have some crazy tickers that will like halt up 3 or 4 times. But most of the time, 2 halt up is somewhat typically the max. So I mean, you still have to see the level 2, seeing how the interest is and the time of day and also the volume. So I added around here, kind of a chase I'll say, but it's pretty safe since I wanted to resolve the VWAP. However, so this area is holding the VWAP a little. So I was like, okay, maybe I can fade. Then the next candle it broke the VWAP. I mean, it did broke here, but it could still have on both ways since this is a 1 minute chart. So when it's off here, I immediately sold off because I know it's gonna go down, which it halted down, and that's pretty much it. This is one bad trade, which I mean previously all these ALF, AUUD, CLV are pretty decent trade, but because of this one JN trade, I lost something that I shouldn't. As in, this is the stupid play. NTEC I played at pre-market, added here, sold off here. So yeah, actually today the day is pretty good, but I think I went too big on JN, and this is like a 70-cent move. Here around 70-cent move. So this I could potentially walk away with a small green day, but this made me a red day. Pretty frustrating. I think the most frustrating for me was ALF. The last one that I tried. Yeah, this is the one that I'm like, okay, that's all for today. So yeah, added here, see it's consolidating here, wanted for it to pop, which it didn't. So this along with Gen totally negates all the other decent trades that I did. So yes, the market is 10:51. I usually play my best around 9 to 10. So this is past my prime time. And also the market tend to cool off now until the lunch break. So more of the action is like maybe per hour or after market. However, I did not choose trading as a career per se for me to trade like 9 to 5. So yeah, I choose to walk away for now. So yeah, ended with another red day. I think yesterday was also a red day. So yeah, the market now is pretty slow, I would say. So what advice is to trade smaller. Like, and if you're a new trader, if I would say maybe you could try considering trading with a paper account for now until the market starts hitting back up. As you can see, not just not just stocks, even crypto is tanking a lot. I'm not gonna talk about crypto since this is not this is more of a stock channel that I want to be. So crypto maybe you can read about it about BTC price and stuff, and okay, never mind, let's not go there. So yeah, for stocks, oh yeah, another one is AMC. I was waiting for it to hit 50. Yeah, I set my limit buy at 50. So I was hoping it could hit 50, which it didn't. This could be a pretty nice reversal. Surprised to see it could still hold 53, but yeah, I wouldn't touch it since I'm done for the day. OBCI. Okay, this is another ticker that got hotted up, I think. So it was really choppy. I added here for a swing. And no, actually I added here to trade. However, I see the price. Yeah, I see the price is could be a pretty decent swing. So I added it to the swing list. MS not much, MDOBT. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. Another great day for me. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, I've actually looked pretty decent now. Yeah. Okay, but I already closed my IBKR since this is very hard to resist. Okay, so I'll just end the daily recap here, so at least I can close my Momo before I open IBKR and make another trade. And it's good that if I could potentially make more money here as I'm leaving money on the table, but I could also lose more money and feel more frustrated. So accept the L that I took today because of some stupid trades, chasing some, and also some is that ALF just knife for people will just knife it to kill the momentum. So yeah, two good trades, two stupid trades. I wouldn't say ALF is stupid trade, but I mean two good trade, one bad trade, and one stupid trade. So my day ended red. However, there's still 3 more days for the week. So yeah, keep it positive. I hope you guys did better than me today. Hopefully. And yeah, that's all for today's recap. I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Stay safe and trade safe. Peace.